Recognizing the 7 signs of foundation failure can help identify structural movement before small problems become major repairs. Common warning signs include corner cracks forming around doors and windows, stucco cracks appearing on exterior walls, stair-step cracking in brick or block masonry, cracks in poured concrete foundation walls, chimneys separating from the structure, gaps forming along floors or baseboards, gaps appearing between walls and ceilings. Foundation problems rarely start with sudden failure. They usually begin with subtle changes most people overlook. Doors and windows begin to stick. Floors feel uneven underfoot. Cracks slowly grow wider. Concrete slabs slope or settle over time. These symptoms may look cosmetic, but they're structural signals. If a building is settling, cracking, or moving out of level, the real problem usually isn't the concrete. It's the soil beneath it. Fortunately, this is precisely where the true level concrete push pier solution comes in, giving you lasting structural stability and peace of mind. This popular solution is designed to fix the problem by transferring the building's weight to stable ground deep below the surface. Let's see how they work. First, we expose the foundation footing in the affected area. A heavy-duty steel bracket is attached directly to the footing. This bracket becomes the connection point between the structure and the pier system. High-strength steel pier sections are hydraulically driven through the bracket and into the ground. The weight of the structure itself provides the resistance needed to push the pier downward. We continue advancing the pier until it reaches competent, load-bearing soil or bedrock. Each pier is effectively load-tested during installation, confirming it can support the structure. Once target capacity is achieved, the piers can stabilize the building to prevent further settlement, or in many cases, gently lift it closer to its original position. After stabilization, cracks and finishes can then be properly repaired because the movement causing the damage has been addressed. Push piers don't replace a foundation. They fix what caused the problem in the first place. By anchoring the structure to stable ground below, they stop movement, restore support, and allow repairs above to actually last. If you're seeing any of these warning signs, your structure is telling you it needs help. Understanding what's happening beneath your structure early is the key to minimizing damage. Take the next crucial step. Call or text True Level Concrete for a free professional foundation assessment. We'll provide the clarity and the lasting solution you need.